Hey, how you doing? It's Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. I hope it continues to be. We had a predicted hurricane coming right to us in Clearwater, Florida, but it's turned a little bit. It's now going to be south of us in Sarasota. You can see Sarasota on the map. We're watching the weather continuously, and we're tracking fire and EMS, which is going to get really busy here in a couple hours. And then we're also monitoring the local power company, Duke Energy, because they're going to be busy in a couple hours. And we've been busy, took a bunch of antennas down. We've charged a bunch of radios, or we're charging a bunch of radios. There's an emergency radio with a light in it. Things are getting a little hectic around here. So far, things have improved because the track of the hurricane has changed overnight and is now heading down south of us, Venice, Fort Myers area. I want to appreciate everybody that sent me well wishes to get through this storm successfully. I want to thank you all for doing that. It's going to be an interesting 24 hours. They say the hurricane winds can get up as high as, matter of fact, it's showing it right there in Clearwater. It can get as high as 78 miles per hour tonight. And then Thursday morning early, it starts diminishing as the hurricane tracks across the state over to Orlando, and maybe even up to my friend's house in Jacksonville. I have a daughter that lives in Orlando, so they're a little concerned about the winds. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be back soon. Hope we don't lose power. That's the big thing. Have a great day. Bye-bye.